Hi, I'm Marzena and we will be cooking today for you with the Friendly Food Club. We will be doing some amazing Polish recipe. It's Kopytka. And what we need, Daniel?
Before we start cooking, we have to wash our hands and put our aprons on.
Kopytka means little hooves and they quite similar to Italian gnocchi. And they are perfect dish to use like leftover boiled potatoes from day before, even from 2 days before, they still fine to use. And you can basically serve them with everything you like. You can serve them with goulash, with meat by itself, with fish, with any sauce you like, but today we will be doing some yummy mushroom creamy sauce. Obviously, if you haven't got like potatoes ready, you need to wash them, peel them and put them into a pan in the boiling water and boil them till they're nice and soft, and just let them on the side till they really cool down. That's very important tip. Cool down potatoes, please.
When the potatoes are cooking, we're gonna do a creamy mushroom sauce. For our mushroom sauce, we need a mushroom cube and mushrooms, onion and cream.
For our sauce, we can add some dried mushrooms, they will add extra flavor to the taste. And you can get them easily in any supermarket really. All you need to do is just take them out from the packet, just put them in the boiling water, wait a couple of minutes, or maybe more than a couple of minutes, about 10, till they rehydrated. And just slice them up and add to your sauce.
Next, we're gonna cut the onion and mushrooms and fry them on a pan with butter.
When our onion and mushrooms are nice and soft, we can add 2 teaspoons of flour and stir it up nicely. After we pouring our cream and we crushing the mushroom cubes all over, we stirring it again, and we have to do it on the low heat, please. When the sauce is ready, take it off from the heat and get ready to make our kopytka.
Mash the potatoes in a big bowl.
Add your 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of salt.
Add 2 mugs of flour and mix it all together.
Mix it all together till it's nice dough, but please don't do it too long because kopytka might get very tough.
Cut the dough into 6 pieces. Roll the dough into a snake shape, about 2 centimeters thick. Cut the horrible snakes into pieces.
And cut those pieces diagonally in about 3 centimeters long.
Next, prepare a pan of boiling salted water.
Put your kopytka in the water and boiling them for about 4 or 5 minutes, actually until they float up.
When they're ready, take them out of the boiling hot water.
When they boiled, you can actually fry them in the butter or fry them with some salty bacon or just add some gravy on it. Just any way you like really, and they still so tasty.
And serve them on a plate with creamy mushroom sauce. enjoy cooking and eating your kopytka.
Smacznego! And please don't forget to send us your photos of your ready dish to our Facebook page, The Friendly Food Club. And of course, enjoy your eating. And bye!